we have to derive the SI units for the full of Young modulus, right? So always remember your formula for Young modulus. If you don't know it, write it somewhere now. So Young modulus is equals to, what is going to represent it equals to, we have the stress over strain. Now stress has a formula, right? The stress is what is the ratio of force over what over area. That's for what for stress. Then we have all over here, put it in this place. Strain simply means ratio of extension over what over the length. That's for strain. Now breaking it down, they're going to be having force over area. Then this over going to change to what divided by, we have extension over what over length. Right now note, when you flip this down, this divides into times. So you're going to be having force over area times length over what over, it means that this one will come up, this one is coming down, this divides into times. So now you're going to be having, note that we are asked to find what the SI unit, not the dimensional analysis. SI unit simply means that the standard units of what of this force, which is what Newton. Y for area is what meter square. Then we have times, let's measure in what in meter. Extension also measure in what in meter. So this means that this one will cancel out now. So we only have Newton over what over meter square. Now let's now go to the other side of the board. We are going to be having Newton over what m square equals to, we have Newton. This means what divide, right? But what join this n over what over m square together? It means that this can also be written as what n times 1 over what m square can still give us what n over what over m. Okay, and why we're going to be having Newton times 1 over m square, it simply means m raised to the power of what minus 2. That will give us what 1 over m square. This minus is what is the negative law of indices, and change to what change to fraction, which is 1 all over. Then why this m is for what this square that is here is for this m. That's power of m is what is square. Okay, so I'm going to be having the Young modulus equals to Newton meter per square, or it can be written as Newton slash m square. This slash to me what it means the division sign, which is what which is this all over here. Stand for this one here is here. Okay, so don't forget to like the video, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.